All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. There's regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm going to order parenting classes.
Jared Michael Wade steps into court, hoping for forgiveness and understanding. Charged with 2 felonies, he's not just fighting the system, he's fighting for his future. When his witness can't appear, everything falls back on character and choices. The judge's warning is clear. Probation isn't freedom, it's a test. Wade's sentence means years under watch, parenting classes, strict reporting, and 0 slip-ups. One mistake, and it all vanishes. You're about to see the moment when grace meets consequence.
Freeze frame. 6 years of don't even jaywalk probation just got handed down like it's nothing. But here's the kicker. Deferred adjudication means if Jared trips once, the judge can rocket him to prison for a full decade. No jury, no second hearing, just poof, 10 years gone. Question. Would you trust yourself to stay perfect for 2,190 straight days? Drop a direct hit in chat if you'd crack under that pressure.
It's calling 2025 CR 004949, 2025 CR 004950, State versus Jared Michael Wade. Can I have parties announced?
Duffy Whitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
James Seeloff for the defense.
And are you Mr. Wade?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You entered a plea of no contest on June 26th. This defense waived PSI, and this was to give the defense a chance to bring witnesses if the defense wanted to bring witnesses. Did you have any witnesses?
Well, it was my stepfather, but he had emergency back surgery yesterday.
Okay.
So he couldn't come. He's a ex-police officer.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So what was he going to say?
He was basically going,
Say, give you probation, right?
I'm good character, he's a hard worker.
All right. You want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Gerard Willie.
All right. Are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
UPS driver, part-time hour.
And how long you been doing that?
4 years.
You're not one of the people who throws packages over the.
He gently brings it to your door.
Box, or I'll place them right there and get you going.
All right. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
12 years old.
All right. And do they stay with you? Do you have? All right.
He's married, he's been married for 15 years.
We've been together for 15 years.
See, together for 15, married for 7. All right.
Okay.
So here's the question. When's your anniversary?
November 3rd.
Ah, I
Good
like
man.
that. Usually people don't remember their anniversary date.
Notice the judge's tone shift. The second she hears UPS driver, she's already doing mental math. This guy's paycheck depends on a clean driving record. Let's see how fast he'll pay for the fancy drug patch versus the cheap UA. That's not small talk. That's risk assessment in real time. Legal heads call it economic bond. The richer your wallet, the lighter your leash. Fair or foul?
Well, the state is opposed to your application for deferred adjudication, but they're recommending, let me see.
Probation.
They're recommending community supervision. So, state, do you have any objection to the court giving him deferred adjudication?
No, Your Honor, the state.
All right. So here's the thing about deferred adjudication. The offenses that you have, they're third-degree felonies. The agreement that you reached with the state was if you were ever revoked, the maximum I would be able to sentence you to is 10 years. With deferred adjudication, the maximum I'll be able to sentence you to 10 years is if you violate the terms of your probation. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The thing about deferred adjudications don't show up as a conviction on your record, but they will still show up on your record. Do you understand? All right. And UPS, are they making you do drug tests?
No, ma'am. We don't. They deal with felonies with charges.
Okay.
Wishy-washy.
All right. So here's the thing. While you're on probation, you have to do drug tests. So you can either do drug tests where you actually go into the office, or either they can give you a patch.
$5 a day sobriety watch, folks. That's $1,825 a year. On top of parenting classes, community service, and restitution. Basically, Jared just got a second full-time job called Stay Out of Jail. Quick poll. Who here pays more for their freedom than their rent? Type rent. If probation costs would bankrupt you.
The thing about patches, it helps you with your time constraints. And I'm sorry, State, you may be excused. It helps you with the time constraints, but the patch costs more. Ms. Abrams, how much is a patch? A drug patch?
It's $50 every 2 weeks, Judge.
Every 2 weeks?
Yes, Judge.
Or you can do the UA. The UA will be once a month.
I'll take the UA.
All right.
Judge, also keep in mind we have that watch.
Ah, so they also have the watch. And how much is the watch? The watch is something new. It looks like a watch. You put it on and it's supposed to be less expensive.
I'm fine with the UAs.
Judge,
Okay.
I believe
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
$5 a day.
Oh, no.
Okay. That $5 a day adds up.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, especially with the 12-year-old, right?
Well, same, yes.
All right. And cause number 2025 CR 0044950.
49.
Oh, you have two. Yes. All right. This is what the court is going to do.
Defense attorney tries to nix the defensive driving class. Judge shuts it down with 2 words. Evading arrest. Translation. You ran from cops, so now you're gonna relearn how to drive like a saint. This is classic probation chess. Every charge has a hidden add-on. Moral. The plea deal giveth, but the conditions taketh away. Perks aren't free.
The court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. There's regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once those are completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. This is run concurrent with 2025 CR 0044949. There's to be restitution, if any, to Stephen, that's with the V, Enriquez, the defensive driving course. No contact with Stephen Enriquez. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else with regards to that cause number?
Your Honor, could I ask the court to reconsider the driving course? I don't know how that applies, and he has a driver with UPS.
Well, because he has an evading arrest. So that's why.
You understand?
And it'll help him.
Listen for the mic drop moment. Jared waives appeal rights. That paper he signed. It's a legal one-way door. Finish probation equals record sealed. Mess up equals straight to prison, no appellate lifeline. Most defendants don't realize they've boarded a plane with no emergency exits until it's airborne. Would you sign your appeal away for a chance at freedom?
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right, and cause number 2025 CR 0044949. The court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting. Once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. This is the run concurrently with 2025 CR 0044950. Again, restitution, if any, to Stephen Enriquez.
Outro challenge. Jared just walked out with 6 years of invisible handcuffs. If he makes it, society calls it rehabilitation. If he fails, we'll call it inevitable. So which is it, systemic safety net or setup to fail? Comment, net, or setup below. And tell us what you would need to survive 72 months of zero mistakes. Debate's open, court is adjourned, but the conversation isn't.
The defensive driving course. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else? All right, Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, ma'am.
I need a 30-day reset for a restitution hearing.
Yes.
Do you need my presence for that?
Yes.
Judge, can you,
All right, August 12th. Counsel and Mr. Wade, you can appear by Zoom. And let me see if I can find your trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Is there anything else that you need from the court to be successful on this probation?
No, Your Honor.
No.
Can you-
Wait, are you gonna do his probation for us?
I thought I would. Isn't that part of my duties?
Yeah, it could be.
Okay.
All right, so Mr. Wade, do you need anything else to be successful?
No, man.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreements, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Sure.
In this court, in order to be successful on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, you need to let your probation officer know about it. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can come back to the court. We're off the record, if you're able to successfully complete everything, your attorney can talk to you about early termination.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, just have a seat. Probation is going to go over conditions with you.
Wade avoided prison, but he left with 6 years of rules, restrictions, and second chances dangling by a thread. Is this real justice or just another hurdle for redemption? Would a harsher sentence help, or is this the path to real change? Should more defendants get second chances, or are the risks too high? Sound off. Would you trust Wade or demand more accountability?